Wednesday morning, 7 a.m. Here I am on Casino Street over South Lismore. I've been trying to avoid residential areas for privacy reasons, but I think it's good that people see this because, man, there's so many streets that look like this. So on this bumpy ride that we have out of this whole situation, we're going to face a few potholes in Lismore. We're used to potholes, aren't we? Eh? But in all seriousness, an issue that was raised from the very start, the need for experts with specialised skills to get specific jobs done, which then leads on to the issue now of asbestos removal. Whose job is it? Like, who can do it? It seems like it's being left up to the locals at the moment. So the locals ask the fireys, then the fireys ask the council. Do the council even have the resources for it? We need licensed removalists. Like, we need people who know the process of safely and effectively moving asbestos. And I'm pretty sure they do not come cheap. I feel 3 payments of $1,000 isn't even going to remotely cover the costs of what it would be to remove the damaged asbestos. Who even knows how much is lying around the place at the moment? In the soil, in the waterways. Should this be the point where government, either state or federal, steps in and helps out with this? Among the long list of other things that need to be done, because even just the asbestos part alone, man, that is bad enough in itself. So I was told that people have been asked not to enter their homes because of the obvious asbestos issue. So their cleanup is on hold, but there's no one to remove the stuff. So this is a massive roadblock in holding up the cleaning process. But yeah, I got no idea, man. Something's got to be done. Although in good news, if you didn't know already, there's been a Northern Rivers business hub set up at the Southern Cross Uni, and that's in A Block Level 3. Janelle Saffin was calling this a one-stop shop for businesses to recover and a great service with many resources. Even if you just want to have a chin wag and then a nap, more than welcome. I'm well versed in the old chat and nap combo. But see here, guys, this is what I'm talking about. The mass amount of rubbish that is still yet to be taken away. The size of this cleanup is just absolutely insane, man. In other news, Essential Energy have information hub popping up on the corner of Keene and Woodluck today. So if you've got any questions regarding power, they'll be there today and tomorrow. Lismore CBD. There's still well over 1,000 people who don't have power at the moment from all the damage to the networks. They are continuing to work around the clock to try and rebuild this massive underground network. So we'll see how that all pans out in the coming weeks. But how's this one, guys? If you are looking for some brand spanking new clothes, head on down to the Lismore Showgrounds and go see the guys at Thread Together who are helping out flood affected locals. It's all free from 9 till 4. Bloody champions. Hard times really do bring out the goodness in others, huh? In some more good news, Benchtop Espresso have their coffee machine up and running again. They're doing coffees from today. They'll be going from Wednesdays to Fridays, so get on down there. Basara with Ghetto Babes Cafe is also cooking Thursday and Friday, and that's going to be at the Koori Mail setup. La Baraka also doing coffees today as well. Legends everywhere. Look after yourselves, look after each other. Stay safe.